In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make infographics in Google Slides. We'll build a clean, clear infographic using only the tools built into Slides so you can visualize information without needing any extra software. Start by opening a blank slide in Google Slides. If you see a title and subtitle box, switch to a blank layout so you have a clean canvas. This gives you space to design your layout without distractions. Think for a moment about the story your infographic will tell. Are you comparing items, showing a process, or highlighting a single key number? That quick intention helps guide the shapes and text you'll add next. Next, go to Insert, then Shape, and choose rectangles, circles, or arrows to create your structure. Rectangles are great for sections or cards, circles work well for stats or steps, and arrows can show direction or flow. Click and drag to draw, and hold Shift while drawing to make perfect circles or squares. Duplicate shapes to keep everything consistent, and use the pink alignment guides that appear to keep elements neatly lined up. You can also adjust the fill and border to create contrast, like a bold border with a lighter fill for emphasis. To bring your information to life, add icons or images. Go to Insert, Image, then search the web. Type in what you need, such as calendar icon or growth arrow. Look for simple, high-contrast icons, and if possible, choose ones with transparent backgrounds so they sit cleanly on your shapes. Resize by dragging the corners to keep proportions looking right. Now add your text. Go to Insert, Text Box, and click where you want your titles, labels, or data points. Keep text concise and scannable. Use larger font sizes for headings, medium for subheads, and smaller for labels. A short headline at the top helps readers immediately understand the infographic's focus. Customize the look to make it visually appealing. Choose a limited color palette and apply it consistently to fills, borders, and text. Make sure there's enough contrast between text and background for readability. Pick a clean, legible font and use size and weight to create hierarchy. Small spacing tweaks, like equal padding around text inside shapes, go a long way. If you want to include numbers or statistics, you can add charts. Go to Insert, Chart, and choose a type like bar, pie, or line. Update the values so the chart reflects your data and matches your color palette for a cohesive look. Give everything a final review for alignment, contrast, and clarity, and you're done. You've created a polished infographic in Google Slides.